In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your add-ons in Gmail. If you've ever installed tools that appear in the Gmail sidebar or enhance your messages, those are add-ons. Managing them is a great way to keep your workspace tidy, improve performance, and make sure only the tools you trust have access to your account. Start by opening Gmail in a desktop browser, where the full settings are easiest to access. In the top right corner of your inbox, you'll see the gear icon, which opens Quick Settings. Click that gear, then choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. This takes you to a screen with multiple tabs running across the top. From here, look for the tab labeled Add-ons. Select it to view everything related to the add-ons connected to your account. On this page, you'll see your installed add-ons grouped together. Click the Manage button to bring up the list of the add-ons currently installed. This view makes it clear what's active and gives you the controls you need. To remove something you no longer use, hover your mouse over the add-on in the list. A three-dot vertical icon, sometimes called More Actions, will appear. Click that three-dot icon and you'll see the Uninstall option. Choose Uninstall to remove the add-on from Gmail. This helps declutter your interface and can reduce unnecessary prompts or permissions. If a confirmation appears, simply proceed to finalize the removal. Keep in mind that uninstalling an add-on stops it from running in Gmail, so make sure you're comfortable letting it go before you remove it. If you're not sure whether to keep or remove an add-on, click its name to see more information. This is a useful way to review what the add-on does, who made it, and any details that help you decide if it's still valuable. Reviewing this information first can save you from uninstalling something you actually rely on. A few quick tips as you manage your list. If you don't see the Add-ons tab, your organization or administrator may have disabled add-ons, or the feature might not be available on your account type. Also, Google occasionally updates the interface, so the wording or layout might look slightly different, but the process stays the same. Open Settings, go to See All Settings, select Add-ons, click Manage, and then use the three-dot icon to uninstall or click the add-on to learn more. And that's it. With these steps, you can confidently review, learn about, and remove Gmail add-ons so your inbox stays focused and efficient.